Have you ever dreamed of making your own game right from your phone? Imagine building worlds, characters, and adventures without the need for a computer. Now it's possible with Star2D Evolution. Star2D Evolution is a next-generation mobile game engine designed for developers, hobbyists, and creators of all levels. With Star2D Evolution, you don't need extra tools. Everything happens right on your device. Build your game with ease using the visual scripting system, or take full control with the power of the Java programming language. No matter your skill level, Star2D Evolution adapts to you. Bring characters and environments to life using the animation editor. Design precise gameplay mechanics with the custom collider editor, making sure every interaction feels right. Easily manage events with a clean and organized system that keeps your game logic simple to handle. For coders, the code editor comes with smooth auto-completion to save time and reduce errors, making writing scripts a fast and effortless process. Keep all your assets, images, sounds, and scripts neatly arranged with the built-in Files Manager so you always stay organized. Add stunning particle effects like fire, smoke, or explosions to enhance your visuals. Light up your game world with realistic lighting features that create atmosphere and depth. And when your masterpiece is ready, simply hit export in one click. Your game is packaged and ready to